Garvin Industries now manufactures stainless steel strut straps for pipe sizes in rigid conduit, 1/2 inch through 4 inch. The way that you install these stainless steel strut straps is quite simple. There's a stamped portion at the bottom of each in a T shape, and they come complete with a bolt and a nut, both made from stainless steel, just like the body of the strut strap. You simply take the strap, place it in the strut, aligning the T with the slot or ridge in the strut. You now can take your conduit, in this particular case it's 3/4 inch rigid conduit, and I like to pinch together the top of it to open up the gap that allows the pipe to pass through. You now can secure the pipe by tightening the nut and bolt, which clamps together tightly, securing the pipe to the strut channel for a perpendicular run. These stainless steel strut straps come in 1/2 inch, 3/4, 1 inch, 1 1/4, 1.5 inches, 2 inch, 2.5 inch, 3 inch, 3.5 inch, and 4 inch sizes for stainless steel rigid conduit. For these and other great stainless steel products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.